Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to draw Justin Fields, quarterback for the Chicago Bears. Justin Fields played college football for Ohio State. In 2021, played in the NCAA championship game. Was named the 2021 Offensive Player of the Year in the NCAA football. Was the 11th overall draft pick in 2021 to the Chicago Bears. Let's get started. Justin Fields. Get your dark marker. We're going to find the center of our paper right here. Center of our paper here. And draw Justin Fields' head in large cartoon format up here. All right. So we're going to draw Justin Fields with an arch, his headband, like so. Comes up, kind of an angle. Connect those two lines. Another arch that connects, that's the top of the head. Now let's draw Justin Fields' face down here. Go down to a chin, over and up. Kind of a wider, squared chin, a couple of ears. Alrighty, let's draw his... Actually, we're going to start with his smile. Justin Fields has this big smile. Let's do it. Alright, we'll go a dot right there. We're going to go up, down, down. And kind of curve it up for a smile on that edge. We're going to connect, we'll go down, flat, and up. Okay? Color the corners black for the teeth. And we'll do the bottom of his lip like so. We're going to do his nostrils. Sideways raindrops. Sideways raindrops. Couple of smile lines that go around his mouth. Okay. Justin Fields has these dimples. Those are his dimples from smiling. He's got a little beard, just a short little goatee beard on the chin right here. Kind of scribble that in, make it look like whiskers. And then we'll draw some ovals for eyes. Ovals for eyes. Circle on the inside, circle on the inside, small circle on the inside, arch, arch. Now let's color this area in. We're going to leave those circles white because those are the highlights for the eyes that bring our character to life. Okay? And we are going to color this small area really quick. Get your light blue, kind of a baby blue color. We like to color this area in blue. This represents the reflections of the stadium lights. Also, it adds a little interest to our drawing. Okay? Now let's do some kind of thicker eyebrows. Go up and connect and color those in. Justin Fields also has, he likes to do these paint. You know, the black paint that they paint on their face for the games to keep the lights out of their eyes, or maybe just to look cool. So we're gonna go down and around, stop, curve down and around to a point. Kind of like a curved raindrop. Okay, all right. Justin Fields also has these braids. He has one that comes down. Maybe another one that comes down and out. We'll color these black in a minute, kind of fill them in like this. In the fast forward, we'll color them all in, but I just want to show you where they're coming from. Maybe another one that comes out. Another one out here. Another one out here, maybe a short one. There we go. And let's do the neck. So we'll go down, down to a point. Like a V. Shoulder pads. Shoulder pads. Let's do a football out here. Football shape. Curve out into a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Those are the fingers holding the football. Here's his thumb. Let's do the football shoulder pads. These curves down, angle in to the waist, straight across, angle up to the armpit. All right, let's do the pants here. 1, 2. He's got this towel that hangs off the side. Legs kind of go down into an angle, curve, angle down, curve. We're gonna do the big shoes, big oversized shoes. 1, 2, those are the tongue, that's the tongue of the cleats. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Bump out, bring it straight across, stop about the ankle area, curve it up to the ankle, bring the ankle down and just do the same thing. Come straight across. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, and we're gonna connect our shoe on that side. Cool, looking good. Justin Fields looking good today. All right, let's do the arm. Arm curves, just kind of stops into that thumb, stops into that football. We'll bring this other arm down. Do a bump, 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 bump. Those are like the muscles. Justin Fields is a very good athlete, really fun to watch. And the curve, come from the elbow, curve to the wrist. Do the hand, thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, we're gonna do the wristband. He wears these wristbands. This is there we go. So we're gonna color really quick. We'll do the number and the stripes to show you how that's gonna look. Let's get a blue. We're gonna use a blue Sharpie. Bring it down, and we'll do the number 1 straight across, come down. It's just a long rectangle, pretty easy. One of the easiest uniforms we draw. Okay, let's do the Chicago Bears symbol up here on his headband. This one's a little harder, so start sideways C, stop, come down, stop, goes over, over, and curve around, connect. Cool. Looking good, Justin Fields. All right, we're gonna do some stripes here on the, I got this is kind of a red/orange color for the Bears stripes. Let's do that. Let's go. There's 1 stripe, 2 stripes, 3 stripes, and we'll color these in. Now watch carefully. What we're gonna do is, these stripes are actually surrounded by a white line. So we're gonna take our blue and we're gonna leave a little white line on the side. See how that works? So those red lines are surrounded by a little white outline. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Get our red pointed again. Do 1 stripe, 2 stripes, and then the final stripe. We'll color these in red, kind of an orangish red. Not perfect red. The Bears kind of have a light orange red color. Alrighty. And if you're watching this video and you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Visit us on Patreon, see if there's anything you'd like to see, and support our channel. We really appreciate it. We have fun doing these drawings for you guys. We'd appreciate the support. There we go. Now, over here on this number 1, we've got on the inside of the number 1, we're going to use our red and kind of outline it. Leave the middle white, okay? Looks pretty good. And over here, we're going to do a red stripe for the pant leg, red stripe on that pant leg, and then a 2 red stripes on the socks. 1, 2. Okay. We'll take a blue. We're going to color the thin stripe outlining the red, and we'll leave the pants white. And just like we did on these stripes, we're going to leave white around the red stripes. So color this blue sock. And do a little blue stripe there. A little blue stripe there. All right, Justin Fields looking good. We'll do a blue stripe for his shoes and leave the rest white. Okay, we're gonna fast forward now. Actually, let's not forget to do the Chicago Bears symbol. So up here on the inside, I'm gonna just kind of color with my red inside there, leaving a little bit of white showing. And we are going to now color the hair, dark flesh color, a dark blue jersey for the Bears, a brown football, leave the pants white, leave the shoes white. And here we go. We're going to fast forward. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw. Visit our Patreon page, support us there, and fast forward now.